ice caps are melting. As our Earth warms up, so do the ice caps. This is a problem because ice and snow reflect a lot of the sun's light. This causes the ice to be stuck in a positive feedback loop known as the ice albedo feedback. The ice melts, which results in a lower albedo, so light is reflected, which in turn heats up the Earth and causes ice to melt. The albedo, or amount of light a surface reflects, of ice is about 50 to 70%, which is very high compared to water, which is only at 6%. Ice caps melting is a big problem, and one that can be solved on our roofs. My name is Macy Sowell, and I have developed a new roofing shingle that mimics the albedo of ice. If we covered our shingles in something as simple as cut-up plastic water bottles, we can reflect light to slow global warming. If just 10% of buildings had this reflective roofing, we would have 40% more reflectability, or the same amount of reflectivity as the ice caps in 1960. A basic roof shingle has 4 layers: a fire retardant, an asphalt sheet, a fiberglass sheet, and another asphalt sheet. My new shingle would have 2 extra layers, a reflective layer and a protective coating. For the reflective layer, I tested multiple materials, including printer paper, tin foil, glitter, and plastic water bottles. I tested them by comparing the reflected light from the different samples to the reflection of ice. I found that layers of cut-up water bottles mimicked ice the best. Next, I tested if a protective coating would impact the reflectivity. For this, I used a spray adhesive and found that it did not impact the reflectivity. These shingles would cost under 25 cents more than a normal shingle and reduce costs on air conditioning. They would help the environment in multiple ways, and I hope that in the future, these shingles will help lower global temperatures and give us a better Earth.